can open.
He likes to get gifts usually.
Who's the present from?
You.
Nope, it's from Auntie Lucy.
Auntie Lucy. A big present.
What is it? A big present? Wow.
Oh, I can already see what it is. The guitar. The guitar.
Wow.
Give me this.
Auntie Lucy.
Wow, that's so nice of her. Is there another present?
Let's see. Look in the bag.
Here's the batteries. Mom takes the present. Batteries. That's mine.
Whoa, it's a big one. Look at how big is it?
Look at how big this is.
Oh my god. What is
I
it?
don't know.
Why does it have that? Hey, I had this for purple.
A piano.
From
Monkey playing music, huh?
Is there any more? The last time you see Auntie Lucy say thank you.
the next time, not the last
look
time.
at more.
Hey, look it. We just had this book, a different book that was the Mudge.
I have another present. We have much. Oh, this is mine.
What is it?
Candy.
Ooh, what do you want to say to Auntie Lucy?
Thank you.
Can you blow a kiss?